Assalamu alaikum. Today is 18th of September, it's Friday, and in PST for LS2 we have discussed the Aryans and the Hinduism. Okay, in this topic we have discussed the origin of the Aryan, that Aryan were the people who came to northern India from Central Asia, modern day Russia, and settled in northern India and Persia, that is modern day Iran, and 1500 BCE. Okay, they were the people who were actually nomads, and they came to the subcontinent on their horses. And apart from the Dravidians, the people from the Indus Valley civilization, they were tall and wide, fair-skinned, warrior-like people. Okay, we have discussed the religion of Aryan today, that Aryans actually laid foundation of the modern day Hinduism, which is the main religion of people of India. And today almost 80% of Indian people follow Hinduism. That Hinduism is actually connected to the religion followed by the Aryans. Just like Indians, the Aryan people worship cow, and they have their holy book, that is Vedas. Vedas was written in a Sanskrit language, and in Veda there are 4 Vedas. The main Veda, the most famous Veda, is Rig Veda, in which we have a poem of Mahabharata. All these Vedas contain poems and the folk tales, which is about the lifestyles and religious belief of Aryan. Okay, Aryan laid the foundation of the caste system of Hindu society, and which was followed in India till 1950, but after 1950 the government passed a law that abolished the caste system. According to the Aryan's caste system, they said that their God created human being from different part of a body. They have 4 classes. These classes are called as Varnas. So they said that the first Varna, the superior one, was Brahmans. The God created Brahmans from his mouth, and the Brahmans are leaders, religious scholars, priests, and they consider to be the superior and the topmost class of Aryan society. Then they have Kshatriyas. Kshatriyas were created from arms of the god, and they assigned the duty of security and protection of society. They were mainly comprised of kings and warriors and soldiers. Then we have the Vaishyas. Vaishyas were created from the thighs, and they perform all the business related tasks like farming and crafting and export, trading and all. Then they have the Shudras. Shudras were the lower caste, and they created from the feet of God, and they did all the cleaning and the sweeping work. Then they have Dalit. Dalit is not included in the caste system because they consider to be the untouchables, and they consider to be the outcasts. They have all the people who do not belong to the Aryans. Aryan created these class system because they wanted to get superiority among other native people. And apart from that, I have given 2 questions for this topic. The one is, what do you know about the caste system of Aryan society, and why Aryan created this caste system, and what do you know about the Vedas? That's all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.